Hello, people. Happy Halloween. I know we all are getting ready for Halloween, so I am going to show you some crazy Halloween decorations today. And here we are. I see these spiders sticking out from the tree. Oh, that's so many of them. And I see these tiny gravestones and skeleton heads poking out like a fence, and that's really creepy. A lot of creep. Ooh, I like that skeleton over there with that wing kind of costume. I like that. It's really creepy and spooky. Oh, and I like that doll that's sitting with that teddy bear on the swing. You know, dolls are like my biggest fear, kinda. So it spooks me out a lot. It's like it's staring at me. Whoa, is that a pet cemetery? That's a creative idea. It's so tall and scary and reaching out its claws. And I like this floating jack-o'-lantern ghost. Whoa, I like this Frankenstein. It's green. Frankensteins aren't supposed to be green. Scary though. Hey, look at that dragon. It's so big and huge. I know no one can miss that. See the Joker. I don't know if you could see it, but it's back of that web and it looks so deadly and scary. That is it, people, for the Halloween decorations. Now, let's see a pumpkin recipe. We all make candies, cookies, or pumpkin soup for Halloween. But try out pumpkin fritters for a change. This recipe is easy to make. Let's enjoy some music as we watch this recipe. eat. Yummy. Look how crispy, spongy, and cheesy the pumpkin fritters are. Thank you for watching, guys, and please like this video. Happy Halloween! Bye!